Bonjour tout le monde, this is Ms. Fox with French pronunciation. Today we're going to cover silent letters. So we're going to dive right in and we're going to talk about final consonants of French words are generally silent. So for example, we have here the word français. Notice it's an S, but we do not pronounce it. Sport, vous, salut. Okay, one more time. Français, you don't hear the S. Sport, vous, and salut. Okay? An unaccented E or ES at the end of a word is silent as well, but the preceding consonant is pronounced. So here we have the word française, américain, orange, japonaise. Okay? Française, américain, orange, japonaise. An easy way to remember what are the consonants that are pronounced in French is if you think of the word careful. Okay, so the C, the R, and the F and the L are usually pronounced at the end of words. So here are some examples: Pâques, bonjour, actif, animal, lac, professeur, naïf, mal. Okay, so in that case we do pronounce those consonants. I went ahead and created a little list for you to practice, so we're going to go over it. So here we have traditionnel, étudiante, we pronounce the T because it ends in E, généreuse, and this has kind of a Z sound, chocolat, so it's silent, chocolat, hôtel, here we also don't pronounce the H in French, hôtel, concert, important, remember the nasal sound that we talked about earlier, important, timide, you do pronounce this, timide, the D, normal, and journaliste. Okay, so we'll go over it one more time. Traditionnel, étudiant, généreuse, chocolat, hôtel, concert, important, timide, normal, journaliste. Bonne chance and à la prochaine.